Top 10 Things You Don't Know About Dolphins. Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we list out the top 10 things you don't know about dolphins. Before we go, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Dolphins are part of an extraordinary group of toothed whales called odontocetes. Odontocetes have incredible characteristics, making them unique to other whales like larger rorquals in that they are all about family. Odontocetes swim together, hunt together, play together, and travel with their family members, often staying together in their family pods for a large portion of their life, if not their entire lives. Here are 10 dolphins facts that you don't know before, so share with your friends and family. Number 1. They're super intelligent. That can recognize their own reflection in the mirror? Yup. This rare ability is thought to be reflective, pardon the pun, of their intelligence. And this isn't the only sign of their highly evolved brains. Dolphins are also one of the few species of animals on the planet that have been observed to use tools. Scientists in Western Australia documented dolphins wearing sponges over their beaks as they hunt for fish to protect them from craggy, sharp rocks. Smart. Number 2. They love to chat. Dolphins love a chinwag. As a matter of fact, they have some of the most extensive acoustic abilities in the whole animal kingdom. Their range of vocal sounds, which include clicks, obviously, whistles, barks, moans, groans, yelps and squawks, are used in both communication and echolocation, i.e. finding objects by reflecting sound. Their impressive vocabulary is yet another sign of their high intelligence and levels of consciousness. Some scientists have even likened their highly developed language skills to that of humans. No. 3. They don't just live in the ocean. Although most dolphin species call the oceans their home, there are several river dolphin species. These guys live in fresh waterways across Asia and South America, including the Amazon River dolphin, otherwise known as the pink river dolphin because, well, it's pink. River dolphins play a huge role in the overall health of waterways. In fact, when freshwater dolphin populations are thriving, it's a pretty good sign that the rivers are flourishing too. Sadly, all 5 species of river dolphin are considered either endangered or critically endangered due to threats such as unsustainable fishing practices, overdevelopment and river pollution. Number 4. They can live to a ripe old age. First things first, we should clear something up. It may come as a surprise to you that orcas, or killer whales, are actually, you guessed it, dolphins. It's a popular misconception. But these fellas are actually the largest species of dolphin in the world and can grow up to a mighty 32 feet in length. If that's not impressive enough, orcas are also one of the few mammals that go through menopause and, get this, can live to up to 90 years old in the wild, compared to bottlenose dolphins which have been known to live past 60 years old, which is still pretty impressive. Scientists have found that the reason behind these long-living grannies is to carry vital knowledge to boost the survival of their grandcalves. Number 5. They're highly social beings. You're unlikely to stumble across a loner dolphin in the wild. That's because dolphins are famously social beings who, depending on their species, are known to travel in pods of around 2 to 30 individuals. Not only does pod life play a key role in protecting dolphins from predators, but it also provides an opportunity for socialization, play and hunting in numbers. Serious socialites can even be found mingling in massive pods of up to 100 or even 1,000 dolphins. These superpods usually only form during mating events or when food is particularly plentiful. Afterwards, the dolphins will return to their smaller social gatherings of close friends and family. Aww. Number 6. They like to lend a hand, or fin. This means they go out of their way to help and protect their kin. Anecdotal evidence has shown that dolphins will often stay and help injured pals, even nudging them to the surface to allow them to breathe. But wait, it gets better. Their compassion isn't just confined to members of their own species. Dolphins have also been reported to help humans, seals and even whales. In one instance in New Zealand, a bottlenose dolphin amazed conservationists by allegedly responding to the distress calls of 2 stranded pygmy whales. The dolphin was observed guiding the whales along the shoreline and out to sea. Number 7. They sleep with one eye open. Yes, dolphins sleep with one eye open. And no, it's not because they're on the run. Dolphins, like our whale friends, can't breathe automatically. In other words, they have to decide when to take each breath. You'd think this would pose a challenge when it comes to sleeping, but dolphins are expert nappers. That's because they've got a nifty trick up their sleeves, fins. When it's time to rest, dolphins have the amazing ability to only allow one half of their brain to sleep while the other half stays on high alert, keeping an eye, literally, on dangers or predators. This kind of sleep is called unihemispheric sleep because only one hemisphere of the brain sleeps at a time. Number 8. They have the longest memories of any mammal. They say elephants never forget, but it turns out dolphins can give Nellies a run for their money. Scientists have discovered the dolphins have the best social memory of any non-human animal. A 2013 study found that, even after 20 years of separation, dolphins are able to recognize the whistles of former companions. Researchers put these long-term memories down to the complex social connections that dolphins have evolved. Because dolphins have a fluid social arrangement, i.e. they can move in and out of different groups, it's important for them to remember who they do and don't want to mingle with. In other words, they've got a naughty and nice list. Number 9. They know how to have fun. Dolphins always look rather chipper, don't they? Well, this is largely down to the smile-like curvature of their beaks, which gives the false impression of a beaming grin. This charming characteristic can be somewhat deceptive, particularly in the case of long-suffering captive dolphins. However, wild dolphins really do like to have fun. If you've ever been lucky enough to see dolphins in the wild, it's pretty obvious when they're having a good time. Dolphins love to show off their underwater acrobatics, often leaping high out of the water and riding the waves of passing boats, otherwise known as bow riding. Number 10. They can self-medicate. Medicine chests of the sea? Well, it turns out dolphins have unlocked the medicinal wonders of coral too. Scientists in the Red Sea have observed some unusual behavior in bottlenose dolphins who were seen self-medicating by rubbing their bodies on Gorgonian corals. It's thought that the antimicrobial properties found in the mucus of this particular species of coral could potentially protect the dolphins from infection. Better yet, they may even provide medicines for humans. That's what we call an all-purpose reef. So hopeful you enjoyed today's video. Please like this video and share. Thanks for watching.